Okay.
We're gonna see.
So that means 100% right. What does it mean? Okay, everybody, when you are in the primary school, I want to ask Michael, have you ever, like, at the end of the semester and your teacher is going to give you a test, and after the test, you're going to just, learn something? No, right? Your report card is not based on how much score you get it on your final test. There's no such thing, right? But when you go to the high school, it is totally different, okay? Your report card is going to be 40% based on the final test and 60% on your weekly assignment. Okay, understand everybody, Ethan? Okay, so that means you are going to have homework. OK，好，有些小朋友说我数学那么好，我怎么会最后只拿了80分呢？有些小朋友就是平时的作业和 final 的这个 test 没有达到老师的 requirement. Understand? Okay, so what is 老师的 requirement? Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So x plus 2 equals 5. 我们所有的小朋友都会做的，对不对 ？x 等于3，对不对？太简单了啊！这个题目是每一个小朋友都会做，对不对？But let's take a look at the teacher's requirement. Okay, everybody.
Show your work.
You need to show your work. Very good, and you need to show your work very detailed. Okay, so this is so-called addition principle. So x plus 2 is on the left and 5 is on the right. So in order to find out x equals what, you need to do x plus 2, copy it down, and minus 2 equals 5 minus 2 as well. So both left side and right side plus a negative 2. It's not going to change the final answer. Get it, Ethan? Okay? 特别是我们班里面男生都很聪明的啊，聪明的小朋友特别容易在这个上面有问题。Okay? So plus 2 and minus 2, there's nothing. So x equals 5 minus 2. So x equals 3. Get it? 要这样子一步一步做出来，不然的话，老师就算你们。如果这道题目有5分 ，Michael， 你直接写 x 等于3，你就只能拿到2分。OK， 好，你考试出来的时候跟妈妈说，我考的特别好，我考的特别好了。妈妈一看怎么考的不好，那是因为 you didn't show your work.
Of course, we all know how to show our work.
OK, very good. OK， 好，那我们现在来看一下number 2. OK, number 2 is the same thing. So 2x minus 3 equals x plus 5. You need to do what? 2x minus 3 plus 3 equals x plus 5 plus 3. Get it? Okay, so minus 3 plus 3 equals 2x equals x plus 8. Now you do what? 2x minus x equals x plus 8 minus x. So x equals 8. So that is how we get it. I know it's incredible complicated, but you have to learn how to do it. OK， 每个小朋友必须，不然的话，到时候，那我们再来看这个 multiplication principle. So that's the same thing. If you have 3x equals 15, you cannot do x equals 5 directly. You need to do 3x divided by 3 equals 15 divided by 3, then x equals 5. Understand, everybody? Okay, so this is a requirement when you go to the high school. Okay, and I don't want all of you to go to high school and face a Waterloo. So let's just practice this one. So this is a division rule, right? So negative 2 over 3x equals 6. So negative 2 over 3x times negative 3 over 2. Because in order to make it 1, so equals 6 times negative 3 over 2. So times the same thing. So x equals negative 9. Get it, everybody? So this is how we get it, okay? So now let's just do the practice, okay? So we're going to do number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 每一道题目都要用那个好像比较麻烦一点的方法做一下 ，OK？ 好，我们就 practice 一下就可以了啊。
Carrie, how are we supposed to write? Wait, are we gonna send the answer to you?
那不用，你做好就行了。 好，小朋友们，这个题目会做，对不对？I think everybody in my class know how to do it. It's just the process is a little bit uncomfortable, but trust me, okay? When you go to the high school, you're gonna say, "Oh, Teacher Carrie already told us everything." 你就不会到了那个时候才难受，知道吧？意思，OK？就这个就是老师要求的，就是要做成这个样子，好不好？ OK，好，我们有看小朋友做好了，所以老师在这里我们就看一下老师跟你的步骤是不是一样 ？OK，x plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3 equals x equals 4. Correct, everybody? Okay, so x plus 3 minus 3 equals negative 7 minus 7, so x equals negative 10. Negative x plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. So negative x equals 4. So negative x times negative 1 equals 4 times negative 1. So x equals negative 4. 看到没有？啊，这一步很多小朋友就会被老师扣分。Okay, so this is the perfect score. So 3x plus 2 minus 2 equals 2x minus 3 minus 2. So 3x equals 2x minus 5. So 3x minus 2x equals 2x minus 5. So x, sorry, minus 2x, sorry. So x equals negative 5. OK, 最后一个啊，3x minus 2 plus 2 equals 2x minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3x equals 2x minus 1. So 3x minus 2x equals 2x minus 1 minus 2x. So x equals negative 1. Get it, everybody? Okay, take a look. Okay, you get 30 seconds to check. Okay, so everybody, we're going to move forward to the next one. Okay, everybody, you get it? Okay, got it? Okay, so it's just uncomfortable, but I think everybody know how to do it with no problem at all. Okay, so now this is a thing, like we just spend a little bit time on this. Okay, so the sum of a number and a 3 is actually written as x plus 3. Correct, everybody? 5 more than a number is x plus 5. 10 added to a number is 10 plus x. A number increased by 4 is x plus 4. So everybody, addition have 4 different ways of explain the meaning of that. Okay, so this is a very important techniques. Okay, Ethan, Michael, Jasper, Kerbiel, and Mike, we have to pay extra attention for today's class. Very important. Okay, it's because when you read a sentence, the sentence is very complicated, very hard for you to write it on or put them into your brain, right, Michael? But instead, an equation is much easier. Correct, Oliver? Okay, let's just go back to the earlier thing. If you have a 1 that said y equals 2, and you know it is every single dot on this line, y equals 2, right? So the equation is the most efficient way to describe a sentence. I want you to have the ability to transfer the sentence into equation. Get it? This is very important because that is the foundation of algebra. Okay, so everybody,